This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted photos and stuff if you accidentally deleted something and you want it back. So let's take a quick picture. So if I delete this picture right here, and I actually want that back because, you know, that was a wonderful picture. Swipe up, go to search and go to files. Now under files, you can locate your trash can in here. So your trash can, if you have My Files on your Samsung, should be somewhere in here. Top left on your other Android devices and go to trash. And you can see these pictures or videos right here. We can go to restore now. Restore. And they should be back under your main gallery. Otherwise you can just go to files once again. And I like going to files because it breaks everything down by the different categories, so I can go to my videos here. I only have one video on here. And here it is. I can try out one of the microphones. Hello, this is Tim here. So I'm just messing around, goofing. And very easy to retrieve that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.